Hello everybody and welcome to Smack the Markets Trading Room weekly market wrap for weekend in the 9th of November. Now this week has seen quite a bit of news, particularly with the US dollar, with the Fed interest rate decision, and also with Great British Pound as well. We've also seen quite a bit of strength come through on the Aussie dollar and also the Kiwi as well. Now that's been counteracted by weakness, significant weakness in the CAD. So in the trading room, we've managed to take advantage of some of those strengths and weaknesses and focus on trades on those particular pairs. Now, we managed to take 3 trades this week, which gave us just over 5% on the table. So let's take a look at the trades that we took this week. The first one here was Aussie yen trade. The idea of this trade, or the significant reason for the trade, was the fact that we got a break here above the 81.50 area, and we're looking for longs up here, well, initially to these sort of 8200 area up here. Now the trade that was actually executed here on the 60-minute chart, and you can see that we took this as a bit of a breakout here with our stop underneath the low. The market continued higher, the trend continued higher, and continued much further than we originally had expected. We actually took a 1-to-1 on this trade and closed out with a 1% profit. The next trade was Aussie CAD. Again, this was a swing long trade. This was taking advantage of the sort of upward momentum that we had here on, and strength that we had in the Aussie, and the significant weakness that we had in the CAD as well. So we got positioned in here to be able to take advantage of some of this long running trend that we had across most of the Aussie markets at the time. Now the actual entry was here on the 15-minute time frame. So we managed to get a pullback into a cluster here. So it's a 61.8% fib cluster with a pivot point, with the moving averages also, tying in with a higher low as well. So this was our entry point here, stop underneath the previous low. This one actually managed to move up quite nicely. We got first target, second target, third target. Market just peaked just above that third target area. Now the last trade that we took this week was Euro against the Aussie. This was an intraday short. So again, this was still an Aussie strength trade effectively. The trade here we were looking for was a break here below 157. We're looking for opportunities underneath 157 here. And the entry was on the lower time frame. So if we come down here to the sort of 15-minute time frame, you can see we've got our 157 level just here, just around where our stop is. We've got this sort of breakdown underneath 157. Bit of a consolidation here. We've got a pivot point here that held the market up, and we got short just underneath this pivot point, stop above the high, and you can see the market rallied, continued its trend down to hit 1% as well, or equal reward to risk. So overall, we managed to take out just over 5%, or our trades managed to give us opportunities for 5% return this week. That's how we managed to trade the week here in the trading room. I certainly hope it helps and look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye for now.